All right, so we are now back, and what we want to do is we want to take this data over to Microsoft Excel. So the data, it is those little red points, those little red dots. And one way I know that they're little points is we can look at this grid here, and you'll see that we have millimeters on the side here, and we have time over here. Okay, so the time is like 8 times slower. So we have our cosine and our sine function. So let's just go to the upper right hand corner. This is our share button. And we're going to select data file. Once we select data file, we want to go to open in. And then once we have open in, we're going to actually find this program. It's called Graphical. Now, I'm not expecting you guys to have that. It's free. Just download it. Okay. So I'm going to have Graphical here. And once I have that, all of this is data. So we have X and Y, we have X velocity and Y velocity, and both of these are with respect to time. You can manipulate this if you'd like. You can go to this one graph. You can go to 3 graphs. One graph is the only real meaningful thing. And if I just wanted to select X, I can do like so. But I'm not really concerned with all of that. What I'm mainly concerned with is this data right here. So you don't need to do any of these. You don't even have to bother with any of this stuff. You can just go directly to your share button and then select data. And from there, you're going to open in once again right here. And once you open in, you want to go ahead and find Microsoft Excel. I think it's all the way at the end. There we go. Microsoft Excel right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and place that into Microsoft Excel. Okay, so one of the things you want to do is you want to save a copy of what you have there. And I am going to choose Dropbox. Dropbox works really well for me. And I'm just going to, choose a folder or create a folder. So I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom. I'm going to say create folder. And I'm going to call this physics class term 5 2018. That's pretty specific. So I'm going to say create. And what I want to do is I want to take this raw count 50 EDB into that folder. So if I save right here, it's just going to go into that folder. All right. So now everything should be good. I open these to check to see. I don't want to do that. I open these to see all of my data. So this is all of my data, and in the next video, we'll analyze it.